Hello guys, today we again back with our series on the Gyan portal, which is about the patterns, the difference, advancing terms of patterns, and we make our logic building with this concept. So now we discuss about the pattern which is in front of your screen, which is ABC, ABC, ABCD. मतलब it's like a right angle pattern, but we have a concept of alphabet which we used. So let's come to the solution part ki how we make it. It's a simple solution, we not have to think much in this. Just make a void print 13, and in void print 13 we have just making a for loop which we already do in our previous questions. And now as it's a character, so I give a character value ch equals to a, and ch greater than equal to a plus I, or a plus I, then we increase the ch plus plus. And now we see out our ch and see out and L. So let's print it for 5. ABC, ABCD, ABCDE. So our first pattern is done. Comes to the next pattern, which is in the inverted form, right angle, but in inverted form we have to print it. So let's come to it, guys. We make it 14 and just void, just take it, just copy it, and we have to paste it as a 14. And basically we have to run a code by our line wise line as a row, we have to do it. But for the characters, what we can do it as a and a equals to a, and then for a we do here n minus I minus 1. And now if I run it for, okay, there is a error, print 14. What is this? No, there, no void. Maybe let's run the code. And for 5, ABCDE, ABCD, ABC, AB. So our pattern is printed. So guys, you see there is a quick logic building, and we have to develop that thinking. And so guys must do these questions by yourself also. Now there is some little bit logic change in this question. We have a, we have bb, we have cc. Now we not incremented, we take it from as a row. So let's make it as a 15, and we just copy paste and we say 15. And for in is this, for character I say like we have to do it as a int j equals to 0, and we have also run it as a j equals to I, and we have j plus plus. But the little trick is that we have to make a character here as a plus I, and we just run it as ch, simple. And now we print 15 as 5, and as you see a b b c c c d d e e. So guys, our 3 questions are done. Now it's come to 16th pattern, and that 16th pattern is a very good problem, I say. First of all, you have to pause this video and do it with you कि how you make its logic building. If you're not able to do that yourself, then see that this video. So as you see कि a b c a b a b c b a, as you see we already do such type of question. So first of all we do that, first of all we have to do like this, space pattern space. So first of all we make for it like I change it, and I just write print 16 and int n. And first of all we have divided it into three things as we do in the previous questions: our pattern, our alpha part, and then our spaces. So these are first of all for the basic loop. I say we have making a basic loop which is going till n. So I make a basic loop of till n, and in this till n loop I say we can make first loop for spaces, and for spaces it's a right angle, and as you see for spaces we have a inverted right angle. So we say j equals to 0, j n minus I minus 1 or j plus plus. Okay, yes, it's right, and we can write it as a for space, and similar this for space here. So for both these spaces we have printed. Now it's time to pattern, and first of all we make a basic this type of pattern, and we know that this type of pattern is 1 3 5, so it is basically 2 into I plus 1. So I make it j equals to 0, j 2 into I plus 1 and j plus plus. And now first of all I'll print a star thing, and if I printed a star thing and for 5, okay, we not make here C out and L. Okay, let's do it. So for 5, as you see basic star thing is done. Now I came and change it as for character, key how we write it for a character. And if we considered it for a character key, like it is increased to the C, so we basically do it like this. As you see here we can do it CH A and CH character. Yes, we can do it like this. So I can change it and I can make it as like this. I make it as a character J A, and J ये कब तक चलेगा, जब तक हमारा A we say A now I see. Okay, we make it as a J. Now I see it's does it going correctly. What is the problem? A B C D. So as you see these are going with the C E F G H I, but we have to stop it. We have to stop it to the maximum as our number n. So for the number n, so we have changed it, and we have to change it like this. Like basically, if I take a character here and I say like this, and then a printed, and if I added it to the j, I say added it with a j, then I printed for 5. Okay, it's added to the j, and it's a character now. How we do this? ch, okay, let us say ch plus plus. If I do like this and we say 5, it increases, but we not want to increase at a certain point. As you see, it get a b c in the mid value, it's at the nth value. When it is in the mid, there is a break and we can decrease at that time. So first we increase and then we decrease, it's like this. So I say here in 16th I make a breakpoint also. I make a breakpoint as 2 into I plus 1 divided by 2. And if I make it as a breakpoint, then I say if j is greater than our breakpoint, then we are printed ch minus minus, else cout ch and ch plus plus. And now we make it again for 5. It's a b c a b c d c a b c d c. It's going little bit correct, but there is some error also. And why this error, I have to analyze it, why there is an error. Like we have to print it a b c. If 2 into I plus 1, if it is A B C D E F, what is this? I say in 6th line A B C, it's going to D and it's C. So our logic is going to print correct, I think. There is an error of breakpoint if it equals to breakpoint maybe. Now I run the code for 5. A B A A B C B A A B C D C B A A B C D E. ओके, एक बार और इसे हम चलाते हैं for 6. And as you see, now our code and our pattern is working correctly. So guys, by this way we have to develop our logic. I hope you like this video.